All right, here are the transformation rules for a logarithm. So if you have a vertical translation, in the equation, you're going to have a plus c at the end, and that's going to move it up c units. If it's a minus c, it's going to move it down c units. A horizontal translation left or right, a plus c inside the function is going to move it to the left, and then your vertical asymptote is going to move to the left. If you have a minus c, it's going to move to the right, and your vertical asymptote is going to be at x equals c, moving it to the right. There are two reflection possibilities. A negative in front of the function, it's going to reflect about the x-axis. If you have a negative inside the function, it's going to reflect about the y-axis. There are vertical stretches and shrinks. When your multiplier is in front of the function, you'll have a vertical stretch if your c value is greater than 1. You'll have a vertical shrink if you have a decimal or a fraction. Horizontal stretches and shrinks happen inside the function. You'll have a horizontal shrink when your c value is greater than 1, a horizontal stretch when you have that decimal or fraction. So those are the rules. So we're going to go ahead and graph first an exponential function in the blue. So this is our blue function. It is a base 2, so we're going to find a few ordered pairs. So -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So we're evaluating the function. So 2 to the 0 power is 1. 2 to the first power is 2. 2 squared is 4. Now let's go to the negative x values for your input. 2 to the -1 power is 1/2. 2 to the -2 power is 1/4. So now we're going to go ahead and graph that logarithm. That exponential. Just labeling my x and y axes. All right, so this blue function, -2, we're up 1/4. -1, we're up 1/2. At 0, we're up 1. Over 1, up 2. Over 2, up 4. So here is our exponential function. Now we're going to graph the logarithm of base 2. So the rule is we interchange these blue ordered pairs. So these are now my y values. That were my x's before. And now my y's become x's. And now we graph them. So over 1/4, down 2. Over 1/2, down 1. Over 1, up 0. Over 2, up 1. Over 4, up 2. So there is our logarithm of base 2. We consider those parent functions. Now we're going to apply a transformation. This is a logarithm of this same base 2 in the red, but there's a transformation of +2. So if we go up to our list, +2 outside the function is a vertical translation up c units. So each of these ordered pairs in the red are going to shift up 2 units. So this is a change on the y-axis. So we're not changing the x values, so those are going to stay as they are. And now each of these are moving up 2 units. So we're going to get 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we graph those ordered pairs. Over 1/4, up 0. Over 1/2, up 1. Over 1, up 2. Over 2, up 3. Over 3, up 4. So it's taking that red function and moving those ordered pairs up 2 units. There is a vertical asymptote right here, and we're talking about this purple function for these answered questions. So the domain is everything greater than 0. The range is all real numbers. The y-intercept, the x-intercept is 1/4, comma 0, and then this is my asymptote, x equals 0.